Welcome back to our finished product, the Winchester single-story flip that is hitting the market today. We got the keys to this home 6 weeks ago. We completely transformed the interior and we refreshed the exterior. And today you're gonna see the finished product along with some before photos. Come on in.
Obviously, walking in, you have a very open concept. Prior to, we had a big fireplace coming down from the middle of the ceiling with a pantry. Unlike most of our other flips, no obstructions, nothing blocking, no load-bearing walls, so it's pretty easy to take it out. And obviously it opened up the entire floor plan. When we first bought the house, we didn't think that we were going to have to upgrade the kitchen, but with the amount of other upgrades that we did, we decided just to do everything. So previously we had a slider and we had a door. We increased the size of the slider just to add for when you walk in, you can see straight to the backyard. Took away the door, added more pantry space since we took the pantry away from the middle of the home, and just gave the kitchen more of an open concept to open up to the living room. Prior to, there was a bar right here that kind of obstructed with the wall. So we just opened everything up and give you that really open feel.
This project would have been more profitable, but Jake sent a text to our contractor and he said, thinking about replacing the cabinets at Hamburg, which we weren't originally planning on doing. Next thing you know, we visit the flip the next day and the cabinets were completely gone. Our contractor pulled them out after seeing Jake's text. So we ended up putting new cabinets in, turned out for the best, but that was not part of the original budget.
So unlike most investors, we actually add high-end appliances to our flips, including a fridge, which most don't. One thing that we're also trying to start incorporating is just different products. We're trying to get away from the white shaker cabinets, black knobs, 5-inch baseboards, just solid wood. We're trying to do things a little bit different, add some character. Our goal is to have people walk into our investment properties and know that it's ours and know that it's done properly. There was really no living room. There was basically a dining room, and a kitchen. So what we did, this wall previously was opened up. We closed it off, and since we knew we were gonna have the open concept, we just added it to be the family/living room in the house.
Another signature feature we provide in all of our projects is plenty of light. A lot of the older homes, really homes older than 5 years, do not have a lot of lighting. So we added probably a dozen can lights in this project, which is a ton of lighting for a relatively small 1,800 square foot house.
The previous owner had the garage set up as an additional living space. So we changed it back. We added, as a regular two-car garage, drywall, paint, texture, and gave people the garage space back. So if you're looking for an affordable single-story home in Winchester, priced very affordably at $599,000, come check us out this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, 11 to 3. We will see you on the next one.